In this part, we will make some adjustments to our movie and connect the two scenes. Open the first scene. TilBuci always loads the latest version. If you want to open a previous version, access the left scene menu and click on Versions. Select the button instance and click Trigger Actions in the right menu. Let's add the action to load a scene. It's in the Movie and Scene Handling group. This action requires one parameter, the scene to load. Select it and click on Set Action Block. In this movie we are using simple actions, but they can become large and complex, with multiple blocks. By default the display of these blocks is compressed, but you can expand it by clicking the corresponding button. Click OK to set the action. Now, let's publish our scene and test it in a new browser tab. Note that when you open the movie, all instances appear zoomed in from the center. When you change scenes, a similar transition occurs. This is the default transition in TilBuci, but there are several other options. Go to Movie in the left menu and click on Properties. Access the Animation and Interaction tab. There are several options for the Appear animation. Let's select from right. You can also set the timing of these animations. Let's keep the default of 1 second. There are also several methods of interpolating the animation. Let's select Expo.ease out. Now click on the Save Animation and Interaction Settings button and close the Properties window. Let's test our scene again in a new tab and see the changes in the animation. Let's take a closer look at each moment of the animation. When the movie starts, all instances appear coming from the right, as we defined. When the new scene is loaded, the instances that are no longer present disappear from the screen, while the new ones enter from the right. Note that the instances that are present in both scenes simply reposition and resize themselves, even if their content is different. For TilBuci, two instances in different scenes are the same if they have the same name. If you want to force all instances to be removed from view every time you load a scene, give them different names. The Randomize Names button can be used to simplify this. Furthermore, not only the position and size of the instances are interpolated. Other properties, such as opacity, color overlay, and audio volume also behave in the same way in the transition. Now that we've seen a little of the movie's animation properties, let's get back to work creating yet a new scene.